flyaways.
Flyaways.
I like them.
Okay.
I can see that. I know you got no product in your hair right now, and I know it's been a long time since you've had a cut. When your hair is
The bangs are 7
in
years ago?
the
Yes.
texture
No,
that
like,
it is
so,
in
like,
right
they
now,
grew
which is
out,
just
right?
your
And
hair
then
with
I
no
think
product
this
in
is, like,
it. Does that bother you?
Bang. And then in
Do
2020,
you ever
I
wear
found,
it
like,
in
yeah.
this, like, you know what I mean? Like if you did something or whatever, like do you wear it in this state? Basically no product type thing?
I've
Ever?
never done it.
What's
I feel
what's
like
the
majority
why
of the time I
between
usually always have product in
one
my
never
hair.
having had
I
a
don't hate
curly cut
this,
before and
like,
two
it
going
doesn't-
that long? Is
I
there a
could probably-
reason?
Like I think walk out like this. I find like a lot of people don't like the frizz or the puffiness, but I'm like, but that adds to the curly regular.
Thank you. I
haircut.
just wanted to
finding
make sure that
somebody
you had that in your mind
Gotcha.
too before we go for what we like. And you're like, that's cool that you
I
like
think
it
with
and all, but
my
I'm the
hair, I
client.
think
Like
sometimes I
we
like
like
it a
it
little
shook
bit
and
how
lived
flat
in
it
and
is
fun
up
and
here.
sexy. Okay.
But that's only because
I just feel like there's so much out there of the give me all the definition, lock it up, don't move, don't touch my hair. To me, I'm like, that's
Which
cool and all.
that
that's-
makes sense. And
I
also
don't
too,
know.
I
Yeah.
wanted to peel this single
I like it when
layer
it's like
here.
day
That's
2 or like day 3.
little lived in, a little
Yeah,
shook. You're
yeah,
looking
and
for
then it
shape.
still looks more like-
That's
I don't
kind
know,
of
I
long.
like it.
That's
Yeah.
good
right
enough.
to have at the
Doesn't
very,
sound
very
like you're
top
really
point.
struggling
If
with
you're looking
anything,
for
which
some
is
shape
great.
to kind of show up
So
and
glad.
get
Like,
these
I've learned
to
to accept
bounce
my
up a little bit
curly
more.
hair.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
As far as the cut goes,
That density.
tell me what you wouldn't
Yeah.
like.
I don't.
Even if you don't want to diffuse all the way through, you might
I
need to
had
flip
bangs
over
for
and have a little bit of fun with that diffuser first.
I can see
Yeah.
that
because
going
it's
back
wet
in.
here.
That was
It
like
pulls.
7
That
years
weight
ago.
of it pulls.
But
The
is
bangs
jazzing
are
against the
Yes.
diffuser or is it just
No.
No, like so, like
The
they
process.
grew out,
It's
right?
long.
And then
Okay.
I think this
Maybe
is like the
diffusing
first
correctly.
bang.
Because sometimes
And
when
then
I
in 2020, I
diffuse,
find my
I
hair
find
looks
like
more,
and then it's these right
frizzy
here.
than if I were to
A little
air dye.
blasted out.
Yeah.
less
Yeah. And then
less definition than you
ever
would have
since-
got?
yes,
What's
You're
the why?
probably
between
not hovering.
You're
You're probably
doing
doing
one
the
never
things
having
that
had
they show
a
you to
curly
do.
cut before and two going
So
that
it's funny.
long. Is there a reason?
Let's take a girl
I think
who's
it's
got
just 'cause a lot of
slightly
people
wavy hair and they're
normally,
trying to
like, have
amplify the
most
texture.
salons do for straight
Lift.
hair, like regular.
You're
haircuts,
curly.
like
Just find
that.
yourself. Your hair ain't gonna get any
Gotcha.
curlier
You run
by
into
you like
anything
lifting
that
it,
you're
right? It's not.
hoping
You're not gonna
I can
add
help you with.
anything to
With
that
my
stuff.
hair,
We've
I
got
think
some moves
sometimes
here
I
that'll
get a
be
little
interesting to
annoyed
see
by
if
how
it's
flat
kind
it
of
is
like
up here.
already
Okay.
along
But
the
that's
lines
only
of what you're
because
doing.
I know that
Flyaways.
brushing. I'm doing
Flyaways.
it.
I like
Little
them.
part like this.
First, are you air drying?
I know you got no product in your hair right
Yeah.
now, and I know it's
Which
been a long time since you've had a cut.
which that makes
When
sense. And
your
also
hair
too, I wanted
is
to peel
in
this
the
single
texture that it is in
layer
right
here,
now,
which is
that's
just your hair with no product in it. If
Does
you're
that
looking for
bother you?
shape, that's
No.
kind
Do
of
you ever
long.
wear it
right
in
to
this,
have at the
like,
very,
you know what I
very
mean? Like,
top
if you did
point?
something
If
or
you're
whatever,
looking
like,
for
you
some
wear
shape to
it
kind of show up and
in
get
this state,
these
basically
to
no product.
bounce up a little bit more.
I've
I
never
will say though,
done
as
it.
much hair
I feel like majority
know
of the
that
time
density?
I usually always have product in my hair.
Even if you
but I
don't want to
don't
diffuse
hate
all the way
this,
through, you
like,
might need to
it
flip
doesn't-
over and have a
I
little bit
could
of fun with
probably-
that diffuser
like, I could walk
first.
out like this.
Because
I
it's
find, like, a lot
wet
of people
here,
don't like the
it
frizz or the
pulls.
puffiness,
That
but
weight of it
I'm like,
pulls.
that adds to the curly.
Do you have any
Thank you.
against the
I just
diffuser,
wanted
or
to
is
make
it
sure
long?
that you had that in your
process.
mind
It's
too
long,
before
but
we
also
go for what we
maybe
like.
not diffusing
And you're
correctly.
like, that's cool that you
Because
like it and all, but I'm the
sometimes
client.
I
Like,
diffuse, I
we
like
like
it
it
more-
shook and
yeah.
lived in and fun and sexy.
Frizzy, yeah, if I were to
Little
air dye.
blasted
I just feel like
out.
there's so much out
Less.
there of the
Give
less
me all the
definition than you would have
Lock
got.
it up.
Yeah.
Don't move.
Don't touch my
Probably
hair.
not
To me, I'm
hovering.
like,
You're probably
that's
doing the
cool
things
and all.
that they show you
But
to
that's-
do.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. So it's funny.
supposed to look messy.
Let's take a girl who's got slightly wavy hair and they're trying
like
to
day
amplify
3.
the
Little lived in, a
texture.
little
Yeah,
shook.
yeah.
Lift.
Then
I
it
agree.
looks more like, I don't know.
You're curly.
That's good to know.
Yeah.
Your hair
Doesn't
ain't gonna
sound
get
like you're
any
really
curlier
struggling with
by
anything,
you
which is
like
great.
lifting it,
So
right? It's not
glad.
like
I
an
I just
ad.
learned to accept my
Into that
curly
stuff.
hair.
We've
Well,
got some
that's
moves
good.
here
As
that'll
far as
be
the cut
interesting to see
goes,
if it's
tell me
kind of
what you
like
wouldn't
already
like.
along the lines of
I
what you're
don't-
doing.
Too short for
I
you.
think maybe above my shoulders.
What about down here, like your collarbone?
That's fine.
Like if that was in here.
I think that'd be okay.
What if our starting point today is a good cut?
Okay.
A good one. Not like, oh, you'll notice a little bit, but you're gonna leave feeling different.
Okay.
Not short.
Okay.
Just different. To where we get in here, does shape and size scare you?
No, it doesn't. I'm down for whatever.
All right.
I mean, I'm here. Let's clean it up. Let's do what looks nice. You know
There's
what I mean?
there's good reasons to get in
Yeah.
there and move that up. I am seeing what I'm guessing is some breakage that's happening in here. That would be pretty significant to move up that much, but it'd be cool,
Yeah.
especially
Up here. Also because sometimes I feel like my hair could be a little heavy, and I
can
feel like
see
it
that.
drags it down. So I wouldn't mind
like a
having it
lift.
go up. Yeah.
Even if I do go to your collarbone, you'd be like, "Ooh, that's moved up," but I won't go past that.
Okay.
Are you for bangs, against bangs? Are you kind of open?
Whatever works. I do both.
see that they're already there. Yeah. You kind of have bangs. I like the most annoying bang. I like it right in your lash line.
Yeah.
We'll probably just kind of clean up the super obvious, but I can leave that length there. But what I'm gonna work on is figuring out how to connect this stuff into the rest of this while giving you some action.
Yeah.
Cool.